and welcome to the Nature Special Report with me, Wannapha Khawpha. Have you visited the National Science and Technology Fair? It is the annual largest science and technology fair in Thailand, and it is being held at Phaitech on Mang Natrat Highway of Bangkok. Starting on August the 7th, the fair continues through August the 22nd. I went there last week to view many interesting exhibitions, and after spending my day at the event, here are some must-see highlights. Do you like reading murder reports or whodunit books and solving cases? If you do, you should not miss the Forensic Science booth, where you will get some first-hand experience of forensic investigation. A mocking murder scene is showcased there. Better than that, visitors are welcome to try solving the case. Before entering the murder site, visitors are first given testimonies from 3 suspects detailing their relationship with the victim and the last time they saw him. With this information at hand, visitors then get to enter the scenes and use forensic evidence to identify the killer. Once the investigation is completed, visitors get to identify who they think the murder is by putting a plastic ball in a box in front of the suspect's pictures. For those who participate, you have got to wait until August the 22nd, the last day of the fair, to whether you have predicted the correct suspect. Let's move on to light and laser booth, which draw lots of visitors' attention. You will learn the different aspects of laser technology. Most of the visitors, especially children and teenagers, are stunned by the plasma ball. At the automation technology, robots with different uses are showcased. You will see working robots used for operation, and not more, a humanoid robot built by the Institute of Field Robotics or FIBO at King Mongkut University of Technology, Thonburi. If you are interested, you can also join a robot workshop as well. World Crisis is among popular booths, and students love it. They don't mind the long queue to witness natural disaster through a 4D simulator. If you want to see dinosaurs talking about their life, visit the biodiversity exhibition. There are various types of animals you have never heard of before too. It's good to study the aspects of deadly viruses that cause emerging infectious diseases to learn how to protect yourself. Don't forget to challenge your brain, controlling a machine to blow a ball by your brain's beta wave. There are many more, and you will discover that scientific and technological activities could be a great fun. Highly recommended for both the youth and adults. Don't miss the chance to explore the fun-filled yet informative world of nature, science and technology. Have a nice day.